Hello everyone. This video is about a new double-sided knit with a lot of texture. On one side, the texture is reminiscent of the honeycomb knit, but it looks more embossed and multi-layered than the classic one. On the other side, it has a smoother relief and a cleaner texture. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 2 rows, which are repeated with an offset. We start with an even number of loops on the wrong side. The first row is on the wrong side. The row begins with a single stitch followed by a group of 3 loops. When starting the knitting, this loop will be single on the first row. After the edge loop, knit 1 from the bottom row and purl 3 together. Again, knit 1 from the bottom row and purl 3 together. Knit 1 from the bottom row and purl 3 together. The second row is on the right side. After the edge loop, knit 2 loops. Then lift 2 loops from the bottom row on the right hook. Again, knit 2. Then lift 2 from the bottom row. Knit 2. Then lift 2 from the bottom row. The third row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, purl 3 together and knit 1 from the bottom row. Again, purl 3 together and knit 1 from the bottom row. Purl 3 together and knit 1 from the bottom row. The fourth row is on the right side. After the edge loop, knit 1 loop, lift 2 loops from the bottom row on the right hook, and knit 1. Again, knit 1, lift 2 from the bottom row, and knit 1. This knitted fabric features a unique texture that is suitable for both clothing and accessories. When knitted with thinner yarn, it acquires a slight openwork, making it suitable for all seasons. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Not Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.